I will show how to copy files or folders from one server to another server. So I have two servers. One is this one, another one is this one. So if I want to copy from one server to other server, I need to know either the host name or the IP address of the destination machine. Here I am using virtual machines. I have not properly configured the host names, so I need to find the IP address of the destination machine first. Using ifconfig, we can check the IP address. IP address of this machine is this. Now we can copy. I have files and folders here. So Percona toolkit is an RPM file. So how to copy this file from this machine to the destination machine? So using scp Percona, and then like this, if you give, it will ask for the password. Then if you give the password, it will copy it. Now you can check here, we have the file here. Now let's look at how to copy the folders. Now I have RPM folder. How to copy this? We just have to use -r option and then use the same way destination IP address. It will ask for the password, and then it will copy all the contents of that folder. Basically the entire folder is copied to the destination remote machine. You can actually check it here. So you can also check whether everything is copied or not. You see that how many files are there? 8 are there. You can just cross verify all the files are copied or not. So all the 8 files are copied to destination machine.